Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing fine. If not, remember, after the storm there comes rain. So in today's video I'll be doing a little heart-to-heart conversation, like how the days are going on in my life right now, what songs are keeping me firm and good, what quotes I've been loving lately. So I'll be sharing this all the things, and it will be a super fun session and it will not bore you, trust me, and you'll love it. Also, I'm starting this thing in which after each of my videos that I will be posting or keeping song of the day or quote of the day. So my videos come on Thursday. So every Thursday you will get a song of the day or quote of the day. It will be super fun. I'm thinking like that because personally I love songs and I love reading quotes. I'm on Pinterest 24/7, like scrolling Pinterest like you all scroll Instagram, I scroll Pinterest. That's the difference. So I have thousands of quotes in my Pinterest board. It will be super fun and encouraging at the same time. You all will love it, I think. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and comment down below what you think. It will mean the world to me if you do that. And without any further ado, let's get started. Idea for this video came like my online lectures were over and I was sitting like this, what should be my next video. I was completely clueless because new things were coming to my mind, like what video should I post it out there, what you all will like it. And this video has to go on Thursday, and you can imagine I'm filming this video on Thursday afternoon, like it's been 3 or 4 now. I'm filming this video. I have to edit this today or tomorrow and I have to post it on Thursday. It is good, but I was not getting any idea. So I was like, my online lectures were completed and I was sitting like this, what should be my next video, and I was listening to songs. And then came this idea that I should share some of my songs with you guys and some of the quotes with you guys because I love Pinterest, as I told you. And then I also want to do like let's catch up on life thing video. I was thought let's mix it all. It will be super amazing. I am personally loving to film this video. And let's talk about how the days are going right now. So days are absolutely going okayish, not that good, not that bad. I feel like doing nothing whole day, like give me back. I'll stay on my bed whole day, but no. I'm in 10th standard and our board exams are not still cancelled. They have just been postponed, so I have to study for that also right now. And it's been such a hurricane lately, like all the friends I know, everybody I know, their all exams have been cancelled, and my school friends and I are like, what is this? And yes, that's the days are going on, studying, sitting, not feeling like doing anything. So that are the days right now. And also you guys, I have to say this, we are in 10th and our exams have not been cancelled. So the 11th tuitions have been started or are going to start next week. If you going, we have to study for 10th also, now we have to study for 11th also, because according to the tuition source, each and every tuition in my area, like everywhere, according to them, if we not start 11th right now, the course will not be completed. So can you imagine the hurricane that's been going for us lately? And all the friends have decided what stream they have to take except for me. I have still decided. I'm confused. I took a career counseling webinar also on Sunday, but it made me more confused. Like then yesterday whole afternoon I surfed internet, each and every video on stream. And also, if you in my place, what you would do, please comment down below. And if you already chose stream and you are higher, and if you are a higher standard student, please comment down your suggestions. Please, I need your help right now. I need advices. This week only, like I have to decide my stream out there. I have to start my 11th standard tuition. It's going to be a roller coaster, guys. I know. Also, it's been 14 months in 10th standard and I think I'm done. Please khatam karo isse. But it's not in our hands. Also, the situation is worsening outside. I'm not complaining the decision, anything. I know the situation is worse outside and it's getting worse day by day. But still, it feels like it's enough now. Now I think you all will be bored कि ये क्या शुरू हो गई है. But this is the life of every 10th grader whose exams are not cancelled yet. I have to start my 11th standard also. Guys, think of the vacation we will get. No vacation. Sorry also if you can hear the dog barking in the background. I cannot do anything because it's our street dog barking out loud. Also, there's a gradual wish creeping in me that I have to read books lately to divert my mind. So I've watched each and every beginner-friendly video, beginner-friendly books for beginners video, and I have to read Alchemist from so long. I'm going to order that book in few days. And also, if you have read that book, please comment down how is that book. I'm so excited. And also searching for what other book I should bring. So if you're already a reader, please give down your suggestions. I really need. Also, I'm thinking for radio silence and I hid my voice books. How are these now? Let's start the part for which mostly all of you are here. Favorite song recommendations, not favorite but my song recommendations and quote recommendations. If you like the songs I recommend, please say. I'll do it more often. I love talking about the songs, and also song of the day and quote of the day are surely going. So without any further ado, let's begin. So I have written all of those in this paper, so I'll be looking and saying to you personally all the things I'll be recommending to you are my favorite, one of the favorites, and I have some connection to this, so you all will like it. I will start with the songs first, and songs will be divided into two parts, Bollywood and non-Bollywood. So my first Bollywood song recommendation is Kashmir to Main Kanyakumari. Such a groovy song. It has some connection with me. On listening to that song, I start dancing and moving my hands. Such a groovy song. If you have not listened to the song, you are missing out. Trust me. The second song is mostly the favorites of all. It is Kabira. And also, if you have not listened to the song, go right now after watching this video. Kabira is really good song. It has some connection to its line with my heart. It's each and every lyrics. Such a beautifully composed song. You have to hear that. Next song is again a groovy song. मैंने तुझको देखा. When I would like to share the incident with the song. When we were small and we were playing Antakshari, every person used to sing this song. When one person starts singing the song, each and every person playing Antakshari will start singing the song in a loud voice, and it was such a fun. I miss those days. So my 3 song recommendations for Bollywood are मैंने तुझको देखा, Kashmir to Main Kanyakumari, and Kabira. This all 3 are my favorites, one of the favorites, and this all have some connection to me. For non-Bollywood, first of all, there has to be Queen Taylor Swift. Her song 15 is best. All the songs of her are mostly the best, but 15 is what I'm recommending to you. Such a good song. and her voice is some sort of magic, I don't know. Second song is This Is Me. Such a, upbringing song, you can say it's such an uplifting song. Such a good song. If you have not listened to this, you have to listen to this song. Take a pen and paper, write all the songs I'm recommending, and you have to hear that song out. Best song. Third song, which I have discovered from Reels, is Brown Eyes, Brown Hair. Such a beautiful song. Such a beautiful song, trust me. But I have a petition for the writer of the song. Please make a song on black eyes and black hair. Just kidding. Such a beautiful song it is. You have to hear it. Next part is quotes. So, my first quote, just listen it out. They are beautiful. All are taken from Pinterest. If I get the pin, I will be keeping it right here, anywhere on the screen. Hear it out. Maybe it won't work out, but maybe seeing if it does will be the best adventure ever. Such a beautiful quote right now for me. I just have to see this. And the second quote I want to share is, the sun showed up again, so I looked up and asked it why. The sun looked down and brightly whispered, to give you another try. Speechless. Nothing to say. Third quote. And you would see, I have got this. While the truth is, you don't know how we will get through it. They all say, fake it till you make it. This quote is all about that. You have to act like you know how to get there, but in real you don't. By faking it, you will get the way out there. Okay, the next quote, fourth quote I guess. Today is another day for you to start creating your own happiness. Now, it's a time for the quote of the day and song of the day. As usual, starting with the song of the day, it's going to be Tu Aage Dekh Le by King from his Carnival album. Is basically my jam right now. And there's one line is, can I sing that? Okay, I will say it in a quote. लोग कहते हैं बेचारा जरा पूछ तो क्यों हारा. This line has my heart. Just go and listen to the song if you haven't. It is again a groovy song, yet emotional song, yet happy song. You don't know what you will feel. It's up to you what you will feel with that song. And the quote of the day is, if you woke up this morning, God is still not done with you. There is a purpose for your pain. There is no explanation needed. It's the best quote. Just remember in your mind if you ever feel like. And so this brings us to the end of the video. I personally enjoyed filming this video so much. If you like this video, you tell me in the comments. I'm ready to film more of this. I'm never out of the gossip. I'm a gossip girl. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and comment down below your book recommendations plus your video recommendations and what you want me to film. Thank you for watching. Sending you all lots of hopes and good vibes. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.